welcome to Easy Classes. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and run Android apps on your Windows 11 devices. Yes guys, this is true. We can easily install and run Android application on your Windows 11 laptops or desktops. For that, the Windows has given the Microsoft Store to install those apps. So you will find the Microsoft Store on the taskbar, or else go to the start menu and search for store. You'll find Microsoft Store in the best match results. Click on that and go to the apps. Now they have categorized like Disney, Microsoft 65 and connecting like that. So if you want to install WhatsApp on your device, click on the connect and stay informed category and select see details. Now scroll down, you will find many applications has free available in the Microsoft Store. So click on the WhatsApp and you can get it. Friends, the Microsoft Store has given lot of apps, even not as many the Play Store. That's why I always suggest use the third-party Android emulator on your device to use millions of apps on your device. For that, let me introduce a Android emulator for your Windows 11 device. Yes guys, there are many Android emulators available for your Windows devices. So in such cases, I will recommend to use Memo Player. Yes, to download that, open any browser and search for Memo Player. Press enter. You'll find memoplay.com. Open that. So now you will find the download button. Click on that and it will download for you. So once you have downloaded, open the downloaded directory and double click on that. Then say yes. Then select quick install. Accept the terms and conditions. Yes, we have successfully installed the Memo Player. It took me around 10 minutes and it depends on the internet speed. So once you have installed, launch, or you will find Memo icon on the desktop. So double click on that to open. We have successfully installed and the Android emulator up and running. Finally, close this welcome menu. Now we are in the home screen. You'll find pre-defined apps here like Play Store, Play Games and other Google apps and tools. So now I can use this emulator as an Android phone on my Windows 11 device. Okay, let's see how we can install the Play Store apps. Open the Play Store app and sign in. Yes, we have successfully signed into the Google Play Store. Now we can install millions of apps on our Windows 11 device. Let me install WhatsApp. So like how we install on the Android phones, now let's open the home screen. Now we have installed the WhatsApp here. So let's open WhatsApp and start using it. Friends, this is how we can use the Android phone on our Windows 11 device. And this is how we can install any Android application by using this Memo emulator. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. I will meet you in the next exciting video like this. Till then, bye bye.